hands together and help me welcome Tanya and Sumit Bahadur, EDC couple from Gurgaon, Haryana.
Actually, I worked in a startup company. I was amongst the first 30 people in the startup company. That startup company eventually ended up having the biggest IPO on NASDAQ. And हम लोग जो थे बहुत ज़्यादा hard work कर रहे थे. Tanya was in a job in a company called Advanced Control Technology. And हम दोनों के दोनों, we were very, very busy. Deadlines, business travel, living out of a suitcase, and basically a lot of staff meetings, a lot of black coffee. Black coffee की आदत वहीं से पड़ गई थी मुझे. And उसके बाद हुआ क्या कि ultimately, see, money was not bad. And I tell you, to be honest, even I learned a lot in my job, how to manage stress. Stress levels were very high. But the challenge was कि in my life, everything is an equation. On the right-hand side of the equation, it's always about what I want out of life. On the left-hand side, I always have to figure out what are the exact parameters I should put in what proportion ताकि मुझे right side मिल जाए. And what we wanted out of life together for both of us, no matter what we put on the left-hand side, nothing was matching up. Hard work हम लोग कर रहे थे. We were trying to play around with the company dynamics and politics within the company, but somehow things were just not matching up. And उस वक्त Amway came into our life like a breath of fresh air. When we saw the business opportunity and we analyzed it, everything about the company, the adventurous spirit of the founders fundamentals of freedom, family, hope and reward, honestly, they all resonated with our hearts, vibrations, you know. जो हम चाहते थे लग रहा था कि like we have already come home. But there was a freshness about the whole concept. Challenge क्या था कि we had no business background. We had invested heavily into our careers. Point was कि वहाँ से अब इस business में कैसे हम लोग successful हो. तो वहाँ पर क्या था कि we attended a lot of training programs. We basically just went ahead. See, I'll tell you one thing. Talent is highly overrated in our business. What matters is how many skills can you cultivate. So what we did was by learning and applying and practicing, we cultivated a lot of skills. हमें बात करनी थी आती लोगों से. We learned how to start talking to new people, strangers. We learned the skills to show the presentations. We learned the skills to demonstrate the products. Tanya became so skillful in demonstrating the products that she would enter the house और मजा लिया कि वहाँ से 100-200 PV ना आए after all the things and all the presentations are done. See, we had to learn how to do that. We fell in love with the process because the end result was just too good. We didn't want to miss it. आप समझ रहे मेरी बात क्या? You understand, no? You're all nodding your heads. See, this is what we had to go through. See, it's a global business. In fact, I'll tell you, I don't even consider myself Gen X or all these compartments. I'm a global citizen, man. Me is me. I'm a global citizen. I like to travel wherever I want to be, build the business however I want to do. Amway represents an idea for us. An idea for bettering your life, building it the way you want it, nobody to answer to, nobody telling you what to do. Okay? Everything about us is different. We have eclectic food tastes. We have everything different, but we have the freedom in Amway to do the things we want to do. With responsibility, of course. You understand? That's the beauty about this business. And India जो है, हम लोग वापस आए थे, everybody was telling us, why are you going to India, this, that. People in America were even telling us, why don't you build the business in India? Do India from America. I told people, not possible. You have to be in the country. Build your teams. And I tell you, India is a beautiful place right now to build this business. It's a beautiful economy, beautiful country right now. You guys are lucky to be born in these times. You can't understand. Amway India is on the verge, it's on the threshold of some explosive growth that's going to be happening over the next 10 years. Diamond Shimon to bhul jao aap log. Think only Crown Ambassador. It will be a mortal sin if you think anything below Crown Ambassador. Aap samajh rahe meri baat kya? Whatever your mom and dad have done is just a foundation for you. Leverage on that foundation. Build upon it. I want to let you know that you can consider Amway as a viable career option. Don't think of it like a part-time, namby-pamby business जो side पे कर रहे हैं. Think about it. Just dive into it. Of course, with proper counseling from your mom and dad, go into it.
And you see, life, it's about experience.
Yeah.
It's not about the money. It's how many experience you can fit in your life.
Absolutely.
And Amway can give you so many different experiences which you will never imagine.
Concentrated experiences in a short time.